यार 12th के बाद मुझे तो कुछ ऐसा करना है जिससे मैं खूब सारे पैसे कमा सकूं। अच्छा फिर तो सीए कर लेना। सीए ना नोट छापते हैं नोट और उनको उनकी साइन करने का पैसा मिलता है। पीएम नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने खुद कहा
आपका सिग्नेचर देश के प्रधानमंत्री के सिग्नेचर की वो ताकत नहीं है जो ताकत एक चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट के सिग्नेचर की होती
है। बट सीए बनते कैसे?
Every Salman Khan require a chartered accountant. Chartered accountant do not require Salman Khan. That's our power.
कि सीए सिर्फ सीए नहीं बनता, एक गहना बनता है।
जहां पे मैं कुछ भी अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकता था से लेके आज मैं कुछ भी अफोर्ड कर सकता हूं। That life is changed because of the degree chartered accountant.
Year-old Nandini clears CA with all India rank 1.
IIM बहुत हो गए, अब चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स की बारी है।
पर गहने को बनने के लिए सोने को तपाना पड़ता है।
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kritika Sharma and I am a CA intermediate student and a second year BCom student. And this video is all about a complete roadmap on how to become a chartered accountant after class 12th. And I can bet this video will clear all your doubts. So watch this video till the end and let's get started. So first things first, which stream you should have in order to be a chartered accountant. It doesn't matter at all if you are from science, commerce or arts, but it will be preferable if you are from commerce background as your basics will be much stronger. If you are in class 12th, you will have to get yourself registered at ACcOUNTANCY. ICI is a statutory body that is established by the parliament and it is the sole body that conducts CA exams worldwide. The whole registration process is in online mode, and if you have not yet given your board exams yet, then you will have to get yourself registered as provisional registration, in which you will have to upload your HSC mark sheet afterwards whenever it is declared. So to become a chartered accountant, you have to clear 4 levels. The first level is CA foundation examinations, the second level is CA intermediate examinations, the third level is practical training, and the fourth level is CA final examinations. And to reach level 2, you have 2 routes, and I will be discussing both the routes simultaneously. So the first route is to appear and clear CA foundation examinations, and then you will appear for CA intermediate examinations. For that, after class 12th, you will have to take a break of 4 months ka period, which is also called a study period and is compulsory. Then only you will be eligible to appear for CA foundation examinations. This exams comprises of 4 papers. The first paper is of accountancy, the second paper is of business laws, third paper is of quantitative aptitude, and the fourth paper is of business economics. Each of the paper comprises of 100 marks each. The first and second paper is subjective based, that is, you will have to write the answers down. And the third and fourth paper is objective based, that is MCQs. It also comprises of negative marking of 0.25 marks. Passing criteria is to score minimum 40% marks in each of the subject and to score aggregate greater than equal to 50% mark, which means
सारे सब्जेक्ट के पासिंग मार्क 40 होते हैं जो टोटल मिला के 160 होते हैं, लेकिन पास होने के लिए ओवरऑल एग्रीगेट 200 होना चाहिए.
when you clear your CA foundation examinations, you will have to take 8 months ka period, which is also called a study period, which is compulsory, and then only you will be eligible to appear for your CA intermediate examinations. So the second route to reach CA intermediate examinations is via graduation. If you have done graduation from commerce background, then you should have scored more than 55% aggregate in all the years. And if you have done graduation from non-commerce background, then you should have scored more than 60% aggregate in all the years. If you are not able to score the percentage mentioned in your graduation, then you can also do post-graduation, and then you will be able to appear for CA intermediate examinations directly. And that is why this route is also called as direct entry route. So now you have reached level 2, that is CA intermediate examinations, and this examinations have 2 groups and each of the groups have 3 papers each. The paper 1 is of advanced accounting, the paper 2 is of corporate and other laws, the third paper is of taxation, the fourth paper is of cost and management accounting, and the fifth paper is of auditing and ethics, and the sixth paper is of financial management and strategic management. And each of the paper will comprise of 100 marks each, in which there will be 30 marks ke MCQs. There will be no negative marking in this exams, and the rest of the 70 marks will be subjective based. That is, you will have to write the answers down, and the passing criteria is same as that of foundation. That is, you will have to score minimum at least 40% marks in each of the subject, and to score aggregate greater than equal to 50% marks. You can appear for one group at a time, or you can appear for both the groups at the same time. That is totally up to you. So when you clear your CA intermediate examinations, you will reach level 3, that is practical training. बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग योर प्रैक्टिकल ट्रेनिंग आपको एक छोटा सा कोर्स करना पड़ेगा, ट्रेनिंग कोर्स, दैट इज़ ICITSS इंटीग्रेटेड कोर्स ऑन इंफॉर्मेशन टेक्नोलॉजी एंड सॉफ्ट स्किल्स. दिस इज़ अ ट्रेनिंग कोर्स ऑफ 30 days का पीरियड, and you will have to work minimum 6 hours per day. After completing this course, you can only start your practical training. So before starting your practical training, your both the groups of C intermediate should be cleared, and you should have completed your training course. Then only you can start your practical training. In practical training, you get to work under a chartered accountant. You get the opportunity to work with different clients, what a job a chartered accountant is, and how the real world works. You will get a lot of exposure and practical insights in this training, and you can take holidays of 12 days per year. So after you have completed your practical training, which is of 2 years, you will reach level 4, that is CA final examinations. But you will not be eligible to appear for CA final examinations until you fulfill 2 additional conditions. The first condition is to appear and clear self-placed modules. These modules are introduced in the new course itself, which will comprise of 4 sets: set A, set B, set C, set D. Set A paper will be of corporate and other laws. The set B paper will be of cost and management accounting. Set C will comprise of 10 papers, in which you will have an option to choose one paper. And set D paper will comprise of 4 papers, in which you will have an option to choose one paper. Each of the paper will be of 100 marks each, and the passing criteria is to score minimum 50% marks in each of the subject. This test will be conducted in the online mode itself, and it will be objective based, that will be MCQs, and there will be no negative marking. To become eligible for self-placed modules, you will have to watch minimum hours ke lecture that is provided by the ICI in the digital learning hub, and then only you will be eligible to appear for self-placed module. The second condition is to complete advanced ICITSS, that is integrated course on information technology and soft skills. This is also a 30 days period ka training course, in which you will have to work minimum 6 hours per day. When you will complete both of these 2 additional conditions, you will finally be able to appear for CA final examinations. CA final examinations also consist of 2 groups. Each of the group comprises of 3 papers each. The first paper is of financial reporting. The second paper is of advanced financial management. The third paper is of advanced auditing assurance and professional ethics. The fourth paper is of direct tax laws and international taxation. The fifth paper is of indirect tax laws. And the sixth paper is integrated business solution multidisciplinary case study with strategic management. The sixth paper is introduced in the new course itself, and each of the paper will comprise of 100 marks each. And the passing criteria is same as that of foundation and intermediate. That is, you will have to score minimum 40% marks in each of the subject, and to score aggregate greater than equal to 50% marks. In this paper also, you will get 30 marks ke MCQs without negative marking, and rest of the 70 marks will be subjective based. That is, you will have to write the answers down. After you will clear both the groups, you will finally be a chartered accountant, and you will get a membership number from ICI, and you will be officially a CA. Also, ICI has introduced a new certificate which you can claim, and I think this is the best season so far of the ICI, as the students who are not able to clear the level 4, that is CA final examinations, and if you have cleared all the previous 3 levels, then you can claim for the certificate of business accounting associate, and you will be able to get the job in the market. And That's it for today's video, and if you have still any doubts left, you can let me know in the comment section down below. Also, I'm planning on a very special video of a day in my life as a CA aspirant, and if you're interested, then the target is 1000 subscribers. As soon as we will reach the target, I will drop the video down. And thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.